There's an old age saying, you can survive for a week without food, but you can't survive for more than a few days without water.
By now, in the 21st century, one would expect that countries wouldn't have any problems with providing clean drinking water for their citizens, but in fact, the opposite is true. According to the World Health Organization or WHO, 1 in 3 people don't have any access to clean water. In fact, clean water is a problem all around the globe.
In Bangladesh, tens of millions of people have been contaminated by high arsenic levels in water. More than 70% of China's lakes are reported to be unfit for human consumption.
In some countries, a huge chunk of their population doesn't even have access to clean water, like Eritrea with 80%, 4/5 of their population without access to clean water.
Even developed countries aren't safe. In the USA, 40% of their lakes are too contaminated for their fishing, much less drinking. And in France, which uncovered that 3 million of their people whose drinking water did not meet WHO standards.
This widespread problem of water pollution is jeopardizing our health. Unsafe water kills more people each year than war and all other forms of violence combined.
Meanwhile, our drinkable water sources are finite. Less than 1% of the Earth's freshwater is actually accessible to us. Without action, the challenges will only increase by 2050 when global demand for freshwater is expected to be 1/3 greater than it is now.
The most common contaminants in water are waterborne pathogens, which usually comes from human and animal waste that are spread by rain or irrigation. The pathogens spread cholera, giardia, and typhoid throughout the unsafe water.
Nitrate and arsenic are other common contaminants which comes from bacteria and rock formations, respectively, and is easily spread into water reservoirs with weak and shallow wells and pipes.
With all these, it is only right for us humans to do our best to make sure that the water we and our families drink are safe.
First and foremost, invest in getting water from local drinking water systems that use different water purifying systems to treat our drinking water.
If no local water systems are present, make it a habit to always boil your water you get from natural sources like wells.
Chlorination is also an effective method that uses liquid or tablet chlorine to kill bacteria and parasites in tap and groundwater.
For local water centers, invest in and regularly maintain your water purifying systems. Use systems that involves different methods like filtration, reverse osmosis, and distillation.
As for governments and the people all around the world, we should all work together to find and provide better ways to give each other clean drinking water.
After all, water is the essence of life.